everybody, if you are watching this video, that means you are looking at your modified slides for the week. So just like always, make sure that you are doing what the to-do list tells you, and I'll go over that in just a moment, for that day before going on to the regular slides or the extra fun things. Okay, or doing that when mom and dad tell you. So make sure that you're listening to your parents or whoever's helping you. All right, announcements. You've got some videos from me and your friends here, so make sure again that you are watching those at the right amount of time. To-do list will help you stay on track. So you've got your to-do list and your daily kind of subject to stay on track and to do. When I'm done with my writing assignment, I can come here, remember, and type a yes. I can type a done. I can type an X so that I can keep track of my work. If on Monday I finish my writing and I do something extra, I can type that here so that you can tell me, okay? On the next slide, you've got your sharing ideas. There's only 3 this week again, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Those are the only ones you probably will need. This one's highlighted in green because using Google Class is going to be the easiest way. If you go into like science this week, there's going to be a document on Google Class that you can type on. Also, bonus, because you're on modified slides, all of these slides, remember, that I'm about to go through, you can type on, and then you can send this full slide deck at the end of the week, okay? So looking at all of your things that you need to do. Oh, sorry, let me go back to the checklist. So don't forget, if I'm doing checklists, I'm going to go to my present mode. If you go to checklist, these links will take you to where you need to go. So let's say it's Monday. Let's go to writing. Okay, writing, it tells you you're going to be publishing. There's a teaching video on the next slide. So if I go to the next slide, you've got a way to publish on Seesaw. You've got a way to publish on Google Documents, and both of those videos will show you how. Okay, so remember, you're using that good writing that you've been writing on the last few weeks, and you're just putting the finishing touches on it this week. Okay, let's go to reading next. So I'm going to go back to my table of contents, go to reading. Reading, you're looking at poetry. So you've got another teaching video here for me to remind you about poetry. And it tells you that I suggest you turn it in Google Class. So again, you could go to the Google Class and find the document on the reading. Or since you're modified slides, I'm going to click to the next slide. And there's your slide that you can use right here. So I'm going to make it small again. So again, I'm in reading over here. The next slide is I can type on. Okay, these are modified slides. So I can put my cursor here and I can type my answer here. Okay, and then I can turn this whole slide deck in on the end of the week. Alrighty, let's go to, I'm just gonna use the small ones from now on to finish up. Also with reading, you've got new A to Z books here, and you've got new benchmark books assigned to you for the week. So if you need some new books, you can go there. Science activity this week, you've got a learning video here to tell you how to do the experiment. It does tell you to use the slides on Google Class as a suggested turn in, but remember, modified slides, the very next slide for science has one that you can go and you can go type on your answer and turn this slide deck in when you are finished. Social studies, okay. This is a new concept this week, so you're gonna wanna either watch all of the learning videos down here or my learning teaching video here to let you know about goods and services and producers and consumers. Okay, it's suggesting that you're turning it in on Google Doc. This is too small to type on right here. So there's a bigger one in Google Class, or on your next modified slide, you have one that has just those words that you can come and you can type right here. Okay, and then again, turn this slide deck in when you are done for the week. All right, and last but not least will be your math on Friday. Okay, your math, you're looking at a graph. There's a teaching video here if you need help. It tells you to use number 4 to turn in, which is again, turning it on Google Class. You can go grab the one that's on Google Class for you, or you can type on your modified slides right here. So if I'm answering this question, I can go into the blank spot here with my cursor and I can type my answer, okay? Once I'm done with all of my answers for the week, then I can turn this whole slide deck in for my assignment, okay? Then you've got your last thing, specials, okay, for when you're done and you have extra time. And then again, you've got all your help videos right there in one place. Okay, let me know if you need any help and have a good week.